Hello everyone, this is video assignment for subject MAT 668, Graph Theory with Application. The project is about flood notification system in Baling Kedah. This is my group members, Nur Syahira binti Esabuddin, Nurul Ain binti Sabri, Nur Najihah binti Hamdan and Nurul Akilah binti Abdullah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syahira binti Esabuddin. I will explain on the introduction. Floods are common natural disaster in Peninsular Malaysia, especially during the monsoon season, which happen every year. Because of Malaysia's geographic location, the majority of flood natural disaster are caused by cyclical monsoon during the tropical wet season. Residents that were affected by the flood believe that during 2021, it was the worst ever happened. Generally, each district in Malaysia has district office who is responsible in managing magisterial and development of the district. One of their responsibilities is to help residents in their district stay safe during natural disasters such as floods and epidemic. The district office that we choose is in Baling, Kedah. Baling is one of the district in Kedah that was also affected by the floods. This study was conducted to alert the district officer on the shortest distance and the cheapest travel cost to reach all those residents. The nearby residential areas that were chosen are Kampung Seberang Pekan, Kampung Tok Teh, Kampung Carut Juan, Taman Seri Intan and Kampung Pokok Sena. We solved the problem by using the algorithm of travelling salesman problem TSP. Next, list of assumptions. There are 5 destinations in residential areas. The starting and the ending point for the journey is at District Office Baling, Kedah. Vertices 0 represent District Office Baling. Vertices 1 represent Kampung Seberang Pekan. Vertices 2 represent Kampung Tok Teh. Vertices 3 represent Kampung Carut Juan. Vertices 4 represent Taman Seri Intan and vertices 5 represent Kampung Pokok Sena. There are a few assumptions for this study in order to determine the shortest part for the district officer to travel to residential area. The assumptions involved for this study are: first, vehicle use is motorcycle, which is Honda EX5. Second, RON 95 fuel worth RM2.05 per litre is used to fill up the tank. Third, 1 litre of petrol fuel can afford to travel 12.5 km distance. And lastly, the estimated price per kilometer is 16 cents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Ain binti Sabri and I will explain the objective and problem statement. There are few objectives in this project. The first objective is to notify people in 5 residential areas about the flood. Second objective is to calculate the cheapest cost for cost saving using the shortest path. Next is problem statement. There are few problem statements in this project. The first problem statement is, we do not know the shortest path from the district office to the 5 residential areas. Second, we do not know which route will give the cheapest cost to be used. Lastly, the cost of fuel also contribute to the existing problem in order to move from one area to another area.
I'm Nur Najihah binti Hamdan will present the problem solution in this study. To solve the problem that occurs in this study, firstly, we create the network graph of residential area. Figure below shows the network graph of residential areas. Okay, next, according to this network graph, we create an adjacency matrix. The adjacency matrix is in this study is 5 by 5 matrix, in which entry is the total meters from one vertex to other vertices, where vertices in this study is the residential areas and the district office. Okay, here the adjacency matrix. We can see that from 0 to 1, there is 2,100 meters, and from 0 to 2 is 3,800 meter. From 0 to 3 is 4,600 meter. From 0 to 4 is 1,700 meters, and then from 0 to 5 is 1,600 meters. Okay, and that's alright. Next, we calculate the cost assumption based on the amount of money needed to travel along the routes. The formula to calculate the total cost is equal to distance travel in meters divided by 1,000 times fuel cost per km. Table shows the result of total cost each areas. Okay, in this table we can see that from district office Baling to Kampung Seberang Pekan, which the route is start from 0 and end to 1, the distance is 2,100 meters, and to arrive at Kampung Seberang Pekan is only take 4 minutes, and the total fuel cost is only 0.34 cent. And the total cost is RM 0.34 cent. Okay, and from district office Baling to Kampung Tok Teh, we can see that the route is start from 0 and end at 2. The distance is 3,800 meters, and to arrive at Kampung Tok Teh only take 6 minutes, and the fuel cost is only 0.61%, and the total cost is RM 0.161 cent. Okay, the others location are calculate by using the same formula.
My name is Nurul Akila and I will explain about the conclusion of this project. The flood notification system is vital for the district office Baling Kedah to notify those living in flood-prone areas about the flood. It is important to notify all residential areas in Baling so that necessary action such as moving to the nearest flood evacuation centre can be taken. It is suggested the responsible person to first travel to Kampung Pokok Senau, then Taman Seri Intan, followed by Kampung Caruk Juan, Kampung Seberang Pekan and Kampung Tok Teh before returning to the district office Baling. The distance travel between 5 residential areas and district office Baling are optimized as it took 31 minutes. This distance travel successfully minimized to 18.6 km and the fuel cost is only 2.98 ringgit Malaysia. To conclude, this system can notify all residential areas quickly and efficiently. This is the reference. That's all from us. Thank you.